Wait, Lucas, did you know like 90% of people wear the wrong size clothes?
What? No way. 90%?
Yeah, literally. Welcome to English Pod Center, everyone. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. And wait, am I wearing the wrong size right now?
Honestly, your shirt is a little too big.
Hey, I like big shirts. They're, very comfortable.
Sure. But today we are talking about clothes, how to describe clothes in English.
Oh, that is a big problem, like a very big problem for beginners.
Exactly. You go to a shop.
Mm-hmm.
And you want a shirt. But the shop worker says, how does it fit?
And you just panic. You just say, good, even if it looks terrible.
Right, because you don't have the words. So let's fix that today.
Okay, let's fix it. Where do we start, Luna?
Let's start with fit, how the clothes sit on your body.
Okay, fit. F-I-T.
Yes, two main words here, tight and loose.
Tight and loose.
Right, so tight is when the clothes are too small. They hold you very close.
Like a sausage?
Yes, exactly like a sausage. If you look like a sausage, the shirt is too tight.
Oh man, I hate tight clothes. I can't breathe in them.
Me too. So you like loose clothes?
Loose. That means big, right?
Yeah, loose means there is a lot of space, like a ghost.
Like a ghost in a big white sheet.
Yes. So sausage is tight, ghost is loose.
Wow, that is actually very easy to remember.
See? English is easy. Now, what if it's perfect?
Oh, it fits well?
Yes, you say, it fits perfectly, or it is my size.
My size. Okay, but Luna, I have a funny story.
Oh no, what did you do?
I bought a jacket online, on the internet.
Always a bad idea.
I know. It looked so cool, a black jacket. I ordered a large.
And what happened?
It arrived. I put it on. Luna, it was so small. The sleeves, the arms were up to here.
So it was too tight?
It was not just tight. It was a baby jacket, literally for a child.
Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Poor Lucas. I was a very angry sausage. Okay, so we have fit, tight, and loose. Now, let's talk about styles.
Styles, like casual?
Yes, casual and formal, the two big ones.
Okay, what is the difference? Keep it simple for me, please.
Casual is every day. A t-shirt, jeans, sneakers.
Sneakers are shoes for running or walking, right?
Exactly. Very comfortable. Casual is for sitting on the sofa or going to the park.
And formal?
Formal is for a wedding or a very important job interview.
Oh, like a suit. A nice black suit and a tie.
Yes, suits, dresses, nice shoes, not sneakers.
Wait, can I wear sneakers with a suit?
Some people do, but it's a choice.
A bad choice?
Maybe. Now, let's describe what the clothes look like, the patterns.
Patterns? What is a pattern? That is a hard word.
A pattern is the picture or design on the fabric, like lines or circles.
Oh, like a zebra. A zebra has a pattern.
Yes, exactly, Lucas. A zebra has stripes.
Stripes. Okay, so a zebra shirt is striped.
Right, black and white stripes, like a referee in a sport.
Oh yeah, so my shirt right now, it has no zebra lines.
No, it doesn't. Your shirt is just one color, blue.
Just blue. Very boring.
Not boring. We call that a solid color.
Solid. Okay, so striped or solid. Got it, Luna.
Good. Now, what about a picnic blanket?
Wait, a blanket? I don't wear a blanket.
No, think about the picture on it, the squares.
Oh, the red and white squares.
Yes, for clothes, we call that checkered or plaid.
Checkered. Wow, big word.
Checkered, like a checkerboard game.
Oh, okay. I like checkered shirts. Very cowboy.
Yes, exactly. Cowboys wear plaid shirts.
So striped, solid, and checkered. Is there more?
Mm-hmm. What about lots of little circles?
Circles. Like a pizza?
No, not pizza. Small circles, like the dog, the Dalmatian dog.
Oh, the white dog with black spots.
Yes, spots. We say polka dot.
Polka dot. That sounds funny. polka dot.
It is a funny word. Polka dot dresses are very popular.
Okay, I have a problem, Luna.
What is it?
Sometimes my clothes, they don't feel good.
Ah, you mean how they fit?
Yes, fit. Sometimes my pants are too small.
Did you eat too much pizza?
Maybe. But what is the word?
We say tight. Your pants are tight.
Tight. T-I-G-H-T. Tight.
Right. If you eat a big dinner, your pants feel tight.
Oh, I hate tight pants. It hurts my stomach.
Me too. I like the opposite. Loose.
Loose? Like big?
Yes. Loose means they have a lot of space. Very comfortable.
Ah, loose pants, like pajamas.
Exactly. Pajamas are very loose.
Okay, let's practice. I want to test you, Luna.
Oh, a test? Okay, I am ready.
Think of the zebra suit. Wait, no, the cowboy shirt.
The cowboy shirt. Okay.
What does it look like? And how does it fit?
Well, it is a checkered shirt, red and black.
Nice. And fit?
It is loose, so the cowboy can ride his horse.
Wow, perfect. Now I get it.
See? It is easy to describe clothes.
Yeah, it really is. I'm gonna tell my friends about my solid blue shirt.
They will be so impressed, Lucas.
Or maybe my tight pants.
No, don't tell them that.
Okay. So what should the listeners do now?
Look in your closet. Find a shirt and describe it in English. Is it striped? Checkered?
Is it tight? Is it loose? Let us know.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Pod Center for more easy lessons.
See you next time. Wear nice clothes.